In today's fast-moving world, choosing the right AP automation software is a strategic decision that can reshape your finance function. This blog lays out a clear 5-step roadmap to help organizations make smart choices, starting with understanding why AP automation matters and ending with a confident selection aligned to long-term goals. The journey begins by defining your scope and project goals. Engage finance, IT, and AP stakeholders to set measurable targets. Map your current workflow, uncover bottlenecks, and clarify what features you truly need. Next, know the key features to look for. The ideal solution should offer seamless ERP integration, intuitive UX, scalability, real-time reporting, strong security and compliance, and ROI. AI advantages like touchless data capture, intelligent routing, fraud detection, and predictive insights are also essential for modern efficiency. Then comes evaluating and comparing vendors. Build a shortlist, request demos or trials, compare features, check customer reviews, and assess total cost of ownership. When making the final decision, compile your findings and weigh pros and cons. Prioritize how well a solution scales, aligns with your finance strategy, and earns stakeholder buy-in. Then move into implementation planning, negotiation, and change management. To sum up, choosing AP automation should be a structured process rooted in your specific needs and long-term vision. Start with clear goals, assess key features with an eye on AI, compare providers carefully, and make a strategic evaluation that aligns with your organization's objectives. With this approach, your AP automation becomes